And then he went away. He grew up and went away, and I took over the horses. And I bought more horses and really developed the riding. And we used to have, the horses were on the trail all the time from the start of the season until the end of the season. And we used to have picnic rides and moonlight rides and breakfast rides, and they were very, very popular. I think really that riding was one of the most popular things at Rainbow Lodge. And it's regrettable that at this point there is so little of it done, because the trails through the woods were lovely. And you go way up to Green Lake and way up the side of the mountain to the Wedge Falls, and we had a campsite there. And on the top of the mountain, up on the other side of Green Lake, we had Twin Lakes. We had a campground there. We used to go up and stay overnight, carry the sleeping bags, and all the horses that I had would be booked for that ride. And I used to keep dishes and things cached at these campsites so they wouldn't have to carry so much stuff every time. And people so thoroughly enjoyed it.